Hey, hi, Catherine here. Hey, you may have noticed I've been on a little hiatus with Self Care Sunday. So I thought for my return, I would come back and do something a little different. So today I want to talk to you about who you want to be. Who are you? Who do you want to be? I work with women around lifestyle, changing habits, making healthier choices. And I can tell you that most of us, when it comes to choosing soda water instead of alcohol or broccoli instead of nachos, that's it's boring. Nobody wants to be making these choices. They don't feel like life's choices, and they don't feel interesting, and most of all, they don't feel energizing. And you know what? I agree. Or personally, as a health coach, I couldn't be I'm just not interested in policing anyone's choices or making judgments on people's lives or trying to get overstressed, overworked, women to be more disciplined. It's not really what you need. And at the same time, I'm really interested in who you are and who you want to be. What are your deepest desires? For what kind of person do you want to be in the world? Uh, how do you want to be engaged? If what you really want to be is a woman with confidence, confidence in your strength and in your stamina and in your body, in your sexuality, and if you want mental clarity, if you want emotional resilience and wisdom, then you need to look at your life. Because we need to figure out how are we going to help you be more of those things, right? And the choices that you make every day, either support the amazing person you already are, as well as as your vision of who you want to be, or they're supporting something else. And I'm sure it's a combination of both. It's never all one thing or the other. So none of these choices are good or bad. As far as I can see, making a choice to have a glass of wine could be completely in line with who you want to be and what your goals are. Or it could be completely out of line. It could be that glass of wine every evening is what's keeping that extra weight on you and making you feel less confidence or feel less like yourself, right? It could be that it's helping you to feel a little bit less clear mentally, more foggy. There's a lot of things that those choices can be manifesting in your life without you really thinking about it. And so here you are wanting to be, more of yourself, the self you know yourself to be. But here you are feeling like this, and you're not getting the connection between these choices that you're making and how you're actually feeling. So what I'd like to have you do is a little self-reflection, is write down, who do you think you are? Think about how your friends talk about you and write down those things, and both the good and the bad, for yourself as well. Think about, who do you know yourself to truly be, and what would you like to be more of? Because it's never all bad. We just got to stop that, right? We got to start writing down the positive. Now, and then once you've done that, then what are some of the negatives? What are some of the things that you don't feel so happy about yourself, right? And then think about some of the choices you make throughout the day. What are some of the choices that you make, and how are they creating? Like if your kid is getting snippy, and you take a breath so you can slow down and respond to them in a very conscious, attentive way, that's a very good habit to have. That's awesome. But if you're kind of losing your nut and you're yelling at them and being impatient, is that the kind of person you want to be? Probably not. So then you need to think about, well, how would I do something different in that moment? If there's ways that you're not feeling good in your body, then are there things you're eating or drinking that are creating that situation? And if so, what choices could you be making that would be better? But as you can see, what I'm getting to here is the choice is not about alcohol's bad, soda water's boring, Or broccoli's good, cheese dip is bad, you know, potato chips are bad, and Oreos are bad, and ice cream is bad, you know, but nothing is better, or fruit is better, you know, something like that. It's not about that. It's about who do you want to be, and what are the choices that you're making that are supporting that. And think about the positive. Think about doing those things that are actually supporting the you that you are already, the best of you, and also the you that you want to be more of. Okay? That's the choice that's really being made here. It's not a choice for good or bad, right or wrong, perfection or not. It's a choice of you being you. So I hope this is helpful. I'm planning on doing a bunch of these vlogs coming up, and let me know what you think of them and if they're helpful or not, and we'll take it from there. All right. Have a great Self-Care Sunday.